Okay. Okay, today we are going to see our day one session. Okay, that we will see about our core concepts. Okay, what will be the core concepts in our Workday? Okay, and how to navigate it. Navigate anyhow we are going to see on everyday basis. Okay, let me start showing you my screen. Okay. I couldn't able to share my screen. Hari, can you please give me the permissions to present my screen? Yeah. Now, okay. 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 Today we are going to see our first thing. Okay. Overview, it's already been the objects, basic navigations and additional navigations I'll be showing you today. Okay. Let's take an example. Go to our Workday. Okay. Go to our Workday. Now, see here. Now we are arena. Okay. Now, I wanted to view her profile. Now, where I am going? I'm clicking on view profile, right? And if I wanted to go to her home page, click on home page. Okay, or else, again, let me show you. There is one other way to go to your home page. Okay, click on Workday icon. Okay, then again you will be going to your Workday home page. Okay, so in these two ways you can go to your home page, right? Now, in this way, you will navigate to any one of the things. Let's say you wanted to see her reports. You'll click here and you will see her reports. Okay, if you wanted to see her compensation details, you will click on your profile. See, you will be having many categories here, right? These many she has. You go to compensation, you will see her compensation details, right? If you wanted to see her compensation, how many times it has been changed, that is nothing but the pay change history. You'll go here and you will see it. In this way, you will be navigating on each and everything. Okay, if you wanted to see her related actions, what and all she can able to perform the action. See here, actions are there, right? Click on the actions. These many she has. See, if you go to her benefits, she can change her benefits. She can view her dependents. Okay, she can change her benefit jobs. So what and all is available here. For all those things, she can able to perform the actions. If she doesn't have a permission, that will be not able to visible in the actions. Okay, so if you go to the business process, she has only a permission to view her delegations and to reassign the tasks. Okay, and what is delegation in the sense? Let's take I am the manager, I am going on leave. Okay, I have to approve my team timesheets or I have to approve some other things, but I am going remotely where I can't able to access my emails and anything. I want to delegate my work to some other persons. So that is called the delegation. So here she can see what are all the delegations she has it. Okay, and reassigning tasks. So instead of you, if you wanted to reassign that particular task to someone on the business process, like to approve the hire or to approve the compensation change for anything, she can reassign that task. And compensation, she can able to view, she cannot able to edit or change anything on her compensation. Okay, in that way, if you want, you please go through all the actions and see it. Okay, see here, those many she has it. Okay, and whatever security profile, she can assign the roles. Okay, she can view the assignment roles. Okay, what are all the roles, whether it is an manager, whether it is an HR administrator, whether it's an HR partner, whatever the roles she has it, she can see it there. Okay, in that way she can see, if you go to the time and leave, she can enter her time. Okay, she can request for leave, she can correct her absence, I mean she can correct her leave, she can view our time off. Okay, so she can view her view results, she can request for return of leave. Okay, so all these things she can able to view and she can able to perform the actions. So if you wanted to perform, okay, if you wanted to request for a leave, what you'll do, you'll go to the actions. She can go to her time and leave, she can request for absence. So here she will start applying for a leave. Select date range. So she will select it and she will apply for a leave. Okay. In that way she will be applying. But I'll show you clearly when we are getting into this topic. We have a topic for this. I'll tell you. Just to how to navigate it, I'm showing you. Okay. Okay. Now, in this way, you will be navigating for each and everything. Okay. Now, let's go to a business object. I'll show you. Now see, worker. Worker is nothing but a business object, right? Okay. Now, for this worker, employee ID is there, organization is there, position is there, business title is there, job profile is there. All these are called the fields. Okay, if you go here again, she has performance, job, okay, and she has her career. All these are called the business objects, or we will call as a domain. Okay, see here you are able to view the edit button, but it's not available here. Okay, so you don't have an option to edit it for personal information domain. right, for that worker. Okay, so this is how we will reconfigure it. Okay, we will provide some securities and then we will reconfigure it. We will provide the securities to edit that personal information. Okay, so and one more thing, let me go and create you one more thing. Okay, let's take okay. Now this is my it's okay. Okay, now let's take this is worker. Okay, now let's say this is compensation. This is benefits. Now if you go to the worker, let me take my fields. Okay, now what if I wanted to see the worker, I can see it. I wanted to see his office location. I can see. Okay, I wanted to see when he all these things on the worker profile. So all this will become as a business object. Okay. Now let's go and see to the compensation. Let's say this is my compensation. I wanted to see my compensation component I have in my compensation. Whether it is internet allowances, okay, whatever it may be, or else meal allowances, phone allowances, and I wanted to see the compensation package. No, this we can't because, okay, and I wanted to see the compensation ID. Okay, so in this I wanted to see the best annual pay range. So what are the pay ranges are available in the compensation in my organization? So all these things I can do it. If you go to the benefits also, so what and all we can see in our benefits, I can see the benefits ID, enrolled, who are all enrolled for that benefit. So what are all the benefit types? We have it. Who are all enrolled for what benefit type, that is called here. So in that way I can, okay, create n number of fields. Okay. Now see here, this is my all active workers Excel. So this is full of, okay, one page. Under one page I have different tabs. Under different tabs I have different fields. Okay, all active workers is nothing but a data source. Under the data source, I have multiple business objects. Under each business object, I have multiple fields. Okay, don't overthink on this. Okay, since it's a first class, it will take time for you to understand it. Okay, so if it is a data source in the sense, let's give me a very small example. Okay, you have an hotel, right? Under that hotel you will be having different workers, am I right? So uh, hotel is one. Under that we have many workers. For many workers we have different compensations for different benefits, right? So each and everything I wanted to track it. So what I have to track it for my hotel. So it is like an hierarchical structure under hotel. Okay, this is my hotel. Who are all were the workers? What are all the compensation plans I created for my hotel? What are all the benefit types I have created for my hotel? So, what are all the types? That means benefit type is a field, right? If I'm not giving that benefit type, then how I will identify what are all the benefit types I created? So, that is called the field, and that is called the business object, because where we are seeing the benefit IDs and everything and my benefit object, business object. That is why it will called as a business object. Under the business object we will be having many fields. Okay, these business objects fields we will use very strongly in our workday, and in reports we will work a lot on these fields, so you will get very clear picture when you are in the report session as well. Okay, and okay, okay, now see here, these are all the core concepts of our workday. First one is a supervisory organization. What exactly a supervisory organization is? Nothing but, okay, group of workers in a management hierarchy. I'm saying that group of workers in a management hierarchy is nothing but, now go to her profile. Yeah, now see here, this is called the organization, right? If you click on here, if you see here, you can see, right, supervisory organization, right? Under the supervisory organization, see how many members are available here. Those are all reporting to this, okay, organization. Okay, those are all available under this organization. Okay, and here we have set of peoples, group of peoples. That is why I told you, like, it is a group of peoples. It is a group of peoples in a management hierarchy. What is called a management hierarchy? Okay, now I am in my HR service organization, right? It has a superior organization, high level. This is her high level organization. So if you go to the, let me go and see the tree view structure, then it would be easy for you. Okay, see here. Yeah. Okay. Now See, CEO is a top level organization for me. Okay, under CEO I have these two. Okay, so it's showing 2. Here no one is there. It is an unfilled position. Now in executive management, if you click on here, I have 9 people. If you go to the finance and administrator, I have 5 members. Okay, if you go to the finance and planning, I have 2 people. Okay, in planning and analysis also I have 1, and these 2 are not having a reportees. Okay, people who will be having a reportees will be having 1 supervisory organization. See, even this having 2. So in this way, it is like an, okay, now let me show you a difference. Now see, she has her supervisory organization and she has 2 people in that organization who are reporting to her. Okay, now if you go and click on this employee in your new tab, see, she is under EMEA planning and analysis. See, EMEA planning and analysis, right? So she is reporting to this organization. I mean, this role, this manager. So in that way, a supervisory organization will become as a group of members in our management hierarchy. Okay, so this is how our supervisory organization will be available. Now let me go and show you how to create my supervisory organization. Now I am acting as a Logan McNeil. So on behalf of Logan McNeil, I create the positions. For that, I have a task called start proxy because she doesn't have the permission to create the position. Okay, she doesn't have the permission to create the position, but I'll show you how to provide the permissions to create the position when we are getting into our securities topic. Okay, now let's go and create my supervisory organization. Create supervisory organization. This is my task. Now reorganization. Reorganization is for tracking purpose. Now let's say I created a supervisory organization today and I created a position. I hired an employee. I had another employee. So that way I am performing so many actions in that supervisory organization. So later I am planning to see what are all the actions I performed on my supervisory organization. So to track it, okay, what are all the actions I performed in the supervisory organization, I'll go and see my reorganization. Okay, this is for tracking purpose we will use it. The reorganization will be using to tracking purpose to check what are all the transactions are performing in that supervisory organization. Like how many people we hired, how many members we terminated, how many positions we created, how many jobs we created. So in that way, okay, to track all the things on my supervisory organization, I'll create this reorganization. Okay, now go and give my step 1 reorganization. Okay, sorry. See, if you wanted to use current, because many will be creating reorganization. If you wanted to use it, you can use it. Okay. For past 10 days, for past 30 days. If you don't want to use anything, you have to create your reorganization. Go to create reorganization and give your name. This is my reorganization name. So when this reorganization will start effective, like when it will start working on it, let me give 932018. Okay, so this is my reorganization name and my effective date. Now see, it will be automatically coming here, right? Click on OK. Now this is my supervisory organization. So I have to create it. Now what will be supervisory organization you are planning to give it. But here we are giving our own names. But in our real time, we will get each and everything from our client. I want this name. I want a supervisory organization need to be created from this effective date. Okay, that way you will be getting all the requirement. Okay, now see here, include organization ID in the name. If you want to include, you can check it out. If you wanted to use any code for your supervisory organization, you can use it. Let me take, I wanted to use 0901, and if you wanted to use this code in the name, you have to check it out here. Okay, or else you cannot. If you are not checking this, if you give 0901 also, you will not able to see it here. Now click on OK. Now what is the subtype? Okay, we have different things. One is division, department, company, okay, institute. In this way we have different things. This is, I can say, this is my department. Okay, see, subtype is just to track purpose. You can give anything here. Okay, anything here. Subtype is not a mandatory thing. I mean, like, not a very specific thing. You can give anything. Okay. Now, this supervisory organization has to be visible to only few of them or else to everyone. I wanted to make this visibility to everyone. Now, what is the primary location? Okay, for now I'm giving a existing location, and then we will create the location and then we'll be changing our location, right? Okay, so then you will be understanding how we are creating the location and how we can change the location to our existing ones. Not only creating, you will be getting an idea how to change it. If you get any situation to change any location in your work experience, it will be useful for you. Let me take, for now I'm taking New Jersey. Okay. Okay, now see here, staffing model. I told you, right? Position and job management enabled. I'm enabling position management. Now go to here, assign roles. See, I mean, these are all the roles what I have to assign it. Okay, now see, she is the owner because she's only creating it, right? And for hierarchy, like what and all will be coming under this, she will be the hierarchy owner. Now, if I wanted to assign a manager to this organization, click here, manager, to whom you are planning to assign it. So this is called a role. That's what we are going to see in our securities. If you see here, I would be mentioning, see, security group types, role, user, position. So I will create a role and I'll assign it here, right? So for now, let me assign a manager for this as I'm assigning Steve Morgan as my manager. Okay. Now, organization assignments. Like this organization is under which company, under which cost center, under which region. Okay. So, to provide each and everything, that is the reason we are going to see each and everything here. If we go and see it, see, the next thing is we are going to create our location, cost center, company, region. That will create it and we will assign it to our supervisory organization. Okay, and identifiers. Identifiers is nothing but, okay, under which country you have this organization, what a government ID you have for that organization. Okay, for each and everything, I'll be using it. Let me click on OK. Now I created my supervisory organization. Now see here, this is my organization. What is the organization ID? We got it as P00718. See, I didn't give this organization ID, right? Just I included. I want to include the ID in my supervisory organization, right? But I didn't give it manually, but I got it from where? From manually, not automatically. It will be generated by system. Okay, so to generate this series automatically by system, I will be providing this option somewhere else, right? Then only I'll be getting this. I'll tell you where I provided that option as well. So I have so many things to explain in that. I'll show you each and everything. In the same way I'll get it. In our tomorrow class, we will get that. Okay. Now, let me see here. I assigned a manager to this. I wanted to, okay, see my manager, okay, in my organization. Okay, in here itself I have to see my manager. Okay, where I have to see it? Go here. See, now let me go to directly. Now I wanted to keep it here. That means I want to modify. How to get it? So I want to add that, right? I want to add my manager name. So to add it, I have to edit this supervised organization. For that, go to actions. You will call this as related actions of that supervisory organization. That means what are all related to that organization, we will perform those actions. That's why it is called related actions. Now go to, you wanted to edit your supervisory organization. So go to supervisory organization, go to edit supervisory organization. Now see here, include manager or leader in name. I didn't check it, right? So edit name or code. Now I'm including it. Click on OK. Done. Okay, not it. Okay. Manager. So, what are all the roles it has? Let me check. Okay, see, it's not assigned to anyone, right? That is why it is not showing here. Anyone is not showing to here. Now let me assign my roles. Go here, go to your roles, assign roles. Okay. Okay. Click on plus icon. Give your manager. Okay. This is my manager. I'm assigning this to Logan McNeil. So Logan McNeil is my manager for this. Okay. Now click on OK. Why two managers are available? Workday non-organization role. Maybe since we assigned it, the same role can be specified in more than one role assigned. One second. Now, okay, I have done some changes. Now I wanted to view my supervisory organization. Okay, how you will go and see? Okay, you don't know where organization name. SEB3. We have only one bracket. Here we are seeing and the manager name to include here. Okay. See, I don't have anyone here, right? Someone created duplicates. This would be a problem. Okay, I got it. Why it is not? Okay. Edit. Sorry, assign roles. See, due to security issues, we are skipping anything. Please make a note of it. We will discuss it here. Okay. I don't want to prolong on only one thing because here, since it's a testing tenant, we'll be having many security issues. We have to resolve for ourselves, providing the securities and have to give it. Okay. That is only having authority on security administrator. I have to give it one more thing. Manager, I can give it as an okay, I'll giving this. Okay, and click on OK. Okay, now see here, I got my organization manager name here, right? Now I don't want to see Steve or my company codes and everything here. I don't want to see these much of lengthy. So go here, supervisory organization, edit your name and everything. See, I don't want to use this code. Let me remove it. I don't want to use my organization code in my name. Okay, I don't want to use my code as well. I wanted to include only my manager or leader in the name. Now see here, before it was 0901 Steve G, so SP0078718. I was seeing this much of lengthy name. I don't want to see that much. I want to see only my manager name and my organization. So that is why I have given only this thing. Okay. So like this, you will be navigating it to create, to view, to edit it. Right. So in up to here, if you have any doubts, you please ask me. Please ask me if you have any doubts. You guys are there, right? Hello?
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
When we create supervisory organization,
Uh-huh.
at that time, when we entered uh, in tag, it will show the reorganization.
Yes.
So why it shows reorganization when we created one organization?
See, reorganization is also nothing but a kind of organization. I told you, right? For if you are creating again a new organization, it will ask you. Okay, if you are creating a position, it will ask you reorganization. I mean, in which reorganization you are creating all these things. So under that reorganization, okay, how many supervisory organizations are there? So it is for tracking purpose. What is my reorganization name? See, this is my reorganization reports. Now, I'll just give only today's date. I don't want to give all these things. 9/03/2018. Okay. So, I'm tracking what are all the reorganized. See here, we are seeing our reorganization. Go and click it here. See, what are all the actions performed here? We created organization, right? So, whom it created? By Marina on behalf of Logan McNeil. Okay, so if you create a position, okay, you'll be seeing here create position. What is that? Who created it? When? It is like to tracking purpose. Now this is my supervisory organization. Okay, so by organization, what an I'm using the same reorganization with another organization also. I created another supervisory organization with the same reorganization. So I have to track it. How many supervisory organizations I have created? Okay, how many positions I created? How many organizations I created? How many terminations I made it? So to track everything on the supervisory organizations, we will use the reorganization. Okay, clear?
Yes. It means just it showing a tab that reorganization name.
Yes, yes. Just for tracking purpose, we are giving it. It is a mandatory thing. So we have to track it, right? Whatever we are doing on that. So how to track it? Where I have to track it? In my reorganization, I will track it. See, if it is a supervisory organization, we will be having members, we will create the positions, everything we'll do in the supervisory organization. In reorganization, we will track it, what all we are doing on the supervisory organization.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Any other doubt? Any other doubts? Okay. So
Hello,
tomorrow,
ma'am.
yeah, please.
Every time when we are going to create an organization, uh, we have to go from Logan McNeil or any other
Yes,
previous employee
yes.
only.
Please use Logan McNeil because she's only having all the accesses to create, to delete everything. So use Logan McNeil. Okay?
Okay. In our real time also we need to go from there only, na?
No, 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 no. In not real
Yeah.
time, you will be having your own accounts. Okay.
Okay.
But in training tenants, we will not create accounts to everyone, right? It should not be created. So what we will do, we will take one of the existing person and we will provide all the securities to them. So by them, we will start
Okay.
using it and working it on it. Let's take you are only the login McNair. So sorry, you are only the Marina. You log in within your page and then you will start working what and all you are you have tasks. So you have to make sure that you have accesses to that and permissions to do that. If not, you will be sending a query to the security team of your organization Workday. So if you are the super user, I mean like super user in the sense who will be having access to each and everything. So you don't need to ask anyone. You will be having every access. You will be doing your tasks, what and all you are getting from your client. Okay, in real time, you will be having one URL with URL will be the same. You will be having one username and password. I'll be having one username and password. Someone will be having one username and password. So we will be using all our different username and passwords and we'll be logging in and we will be doing our works. See here you will see your, suppose if you are doing it, if I'm tracking anything, I'll be seeing here. So it has been done by so and so person. It has been done by so and so person. So in that way it will be tracked. Okay. Okay, clear? Hello? 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 Hello?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Continue.
So clear, right? What are all the doubts you got it? You are clear, right? If you have any doubts, please ask me. If not, we will wind up for today. And tomorrow we are going to see how to see. We created supervised organization and reorganization. Okay. Now I'll create cost center, location. Okay. Sorry, I'll create subordinate, cost center, location, and see what are all the difference for each and everything, how we have to link one by one. Okay. See, you said like cost center, location. If you go to your supervisory organization, you have an option, right? Go to your supervisory organization. This is my supervisory organization. If you go to your organization assignments, you not assign anything here, right? Cost center, region, that's here. We will create it and we'll see how we have to assign here. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Okay, thanks for joining. From tomorrow onwards it will not be late. Okay, I'll be on time by 6:15, so we will start. Okay, so we'll get some more time. Okay, then thanks for joining. Bye.